Do you know where Donna is?
No, where? I don't see her anywhere.
Oh my word.
Really? What? What happened last night?
I don't remember. Hey, do you guys remember? Oh, go, I got the door.
This is such a great idea.
Oh my word.
We need to go meet Stella outside.
We gotta go find Stella. My head is so twisted. Oh gosh. Wait, where's the car at?
Almost there.
Are we just gonna put him in the back of the car?
Yeah, just in the trunk.
Okay. Sounds good.
Just anywhere. Man, this is a heavy panther.
Okay. We're almost there.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Hey, guys, we're gonna call her. So, you talk? You talk. No, you talk. I think you should talk. No, I think
Wait,
you should
guys,
talk.
it's Colleen. She's gonna answer.
Hey, we lost Donna. Yeah, so...
Well, you got about 2 hours to find her, else I'm gonna be pissed.